couple of more hours to get out there and enjoy your Friday evening.
I'm dying to get out of here.
Yes.
No offense to you or anyone else I work with, but it's been a really nice day, and looking ahead to where we're going, it's like, okay, like I got to get...
Beyond just the weekend, this next stretch is...
Yes, your distant future, when I look into the crystal ball, is not favorable. We'll talk about that in a second. I want to start, though, because Brian mentioned this to me at noon, and then I got a call from my buddy Troy who asked, it felt sticky, right? People saying, am I crazy or is it actually sticky today? And no, the dew points in the 60s, that's just about when you start to notice humidity across northern New England. So it's not your imagination, it was legitimately kind of sticky today. And we had more sunshine than was forecast by the small scale models. No complaints there. That drove temperatures up a bit though. That fog bank right there just lurking offshore all day, waiting to return tonight, which it'll do pretty easily. And the sunshine drove up some showers and thunderstorms, and some of those pretty heavy into the mountains over the last few hours. A couple coming across the northern part of Winnipesaukee here might be able to get into southern Oxford County, even the coastline. So we'll see a chance for a shower or thunderstorm over the next few hours. Once the sun sets, we'll see fewer and fewer of those and things will settle down. We'll start to see more fog though coming onshore and a lot more clouds too. So temperatures flatline in the 50s. And tomorrow we're just not going to have the same success that we did today at burning away that low level cloud cover. And so it stays cloudy through the day. Temperatures are in the 50s to around 60. We start to rotate some bands of heavy rain through. Looks like late morning it moved up a little bit, and then again in the afternoon. Notice it's not raining all day, but it's not particularly pleasant either with those cooler temperatures and a lot of clouds. Here's that second batch of rain comes in tomorrow night. And then we start with a little bit of sunshine perhaps on Sunday morning, particularly across southern Maine into southern New Hampshire. And we see a few showers here on Sunday afternoon. It's not as bad of a day. It's definitely the better of the two weekend days. But once again, it's unstable enough that it's kind of hard to plan outdoor activities with showers around through Sunday afternoon and temperatures in the 60s. That low just moves away a little bit here Monday and Tuesday, so we see a chance of showers on Monday. Largely cloudy with a little bit of sun on Tuesday. Tuesday is probably the best day of next week, but the bar is exceedingly low because we go back to showers on Wednesday, then a storm moves in on Thursday, and look what happens with this storm system. According to the GFS American model, not only is it cold and rainy, it's so cold and rainy that we may mix with snow into the mountains, which is, of course, just really offensive for this time of the year. So where we live in, could see showers continue into Friday. Memorial Day weekend is not going to be great. So it's just going to be a matter of, is it really rainy or is it just cool and cloudy? Those are your two options. I wish I could give you other ones, but that's kind of where we're at right now. Okay, well, here's a reminder that we have another edition of Weather Weenies that will be dropping at the bottom of the hour tonight. Dana Osgood joins me for just the second time since we've been doing these. And Dana, you've been on the show with me before, and
One time.
And I was a little, you were quiet.
It was in my defense, it was my first time on the show.
Yep.
I got directions that were like less than a full sentence.
Look what happened. I couldn't get her to talk at all the first time, and now we're like probably 12 minutes over on this show, but.
This is me, like, normally what happens.
This is. Brian can attest to that. He hears the weather office. You can join us for Weather Weenies every weeknight. And if you have a weather question, email us at weatherweenies@newscentermaine.com. If you don't already have News Center Maine Plus, you can download it on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.
All right, looking forward to that. Keith, thanks.